Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ugly but Gentle. Ever since this guy took over the channel, has been growing rapidly. And remember to click the last video if you haven't saw my Taiwan trip. And I guess I'll let him take over the show because it seems like you guys like him more. So as you can see, this is where we stopped the last time about Taiwan video. And there was a long queue and we didn't know what the queue was. As a Singaporean, we decided to join the queue. And after that, we realized that it was a Japanese, looks like an omakase. And it tastes very nice. So the lady is explaining how it works. At their restaurant, there's no booking. We can only come early to queue for the food. Then we proceed to upstairs where we initially wanted to go as a Fuhang豆浆, which sells soy milk, and dough fritters, which is what you call the youtiao. And yeah, I bought my food and off we go to eat. This is a bread with some egg in it, and this is tau hui that I drink. It tastes very silky smooth, and Singapore don't have such smooth tau hui. Then I went on to eat this egg inside and this youtiao, which wow, I can't believe what a heavy breakfast we had. Then we made our way to the Taipei Train Station, where we went on to ask how we can go to the Lantern Festival.
你好，请问你我要去瑞芳的话，我要到十份还有九份。
Basically, this is my conversation with the helpful lady over there, which she pointed out how should we travel to Shifen and Jiu Fen, and by which train, by which direction. It's a bit confusing for me because I can't read Chinese well. I can speak but I can't read it well, so basically I had to ask every time how I want to go where, and they are very polite. They will teach you how to do it. That's why you don't need to worry if you can speak Chinese when you're in Taiwan, because they are good people and they will tell you how to go. And we went on searching for the train station, and here I am, first time on the train to Jiu Fen, and I'm fascinated by the chair and the table. It was around a 1 hour ride to the station, and upon arrival it was raining heavily. We had to walk around 2 bus stops to reach the bus stop, but I realized that we need to wait for 45 minutes for the bus. So, because it's a weekday, so no choice. And we are here back at九份老街. I was here 10 years ago and it looks exactly the same. Nothing has changed. And I ate the fried mushroom, which you can see the skew. Lady is cooking, grilling on the grill, and it tastes, maybe I like the taste of the charred food. It tastes really nice. You should try when you are here. And we went on to try the Guan meatball, if you say, and there's cute dog. So finally at the scenic location, which it was fog everywhere because it just rained, and we stopped by a cafe for food. We had a 1 hour rest there after walking so long, and you can see there's so many people down there, but when you pay for food, you are alone up here with the view. Yeah, I tried the waffle with ice cream and I couldn't finish it because I had a 2 full breakfast at Fuhang豆浆. But since I'm here, I must eat and try how does it taste. The waffle is a bit different from what we have in Singapore. It's not as fluffy and not as crispy, but it still tastes nice. with all the whipped cream and the ice cream. It's a bit a soft feel, which normally in Singapore I wouldn't visit again if their waffle is that taste. But if you like, you can try. There's an iced latte that I drank, is very nice. And on our way down on the bus back to the train station, we transfer to another line to go to Shifen for Tianten. So it was raining and we were there quite late. It was close to 7 p.m. Most of the shops were closed and there was nothing much until suddenly we saw, oh, there's another part of the town that was still open. And we decided to light our Kong Ming Ten Long, or rather the Tian Ten. So you can write anything you want on it. Draw, use, then they will help you with the hair dryer to make it dry so that later you can fly. The pig drawn by me. Does it look like a pig? Yeah, I think it looked like. Then yes, my itchy hand played with all the souvenir, and here we flew the Tianten. This is the shop, and we went on for dinner back at Taipei, eating this fantastic meal. I would say every time I'm in Taiwan I would try this, but don't ever come to this branch because the food doesn't taste as nice as the branch in Guan, where all the university students visit. So if you want to eat, don't come to here. Then we made our way to Shi Lin Yeshi for supper. 10 years back I was here as well, but it seems a bit different. It wasn't so big and so organized back then. There was only just one street, but now you have so many things here. There's even an underground Shi Lin that I heard of, and this is my first time going underground. It's like a 煮炒档 zi cha store in Singapore where there's so many of them, and I ate my beef. Then this is the oyster, which is very big. You can have it in Singapore, but it's a lot more expensive for the size of the oyster. There is a lot more fresher. You can taste the sea. I guess that's what they use to describe seafood. You can taste the sea and it tastes very nice and fresh. Then we went on for massage, and the next day morning we went to Wu Fen Pu for some shopping. It's like a wholesale place, but I didn't see anything that I like, and we went on to Taipei Itinerary. This is where we had our dinner. Maybe I'll do another separate video about it. And this is after Taipei 101, we went on to have supper at this place called KanPai, which has fantastically well service. You'll see they help us with the meat, they grill the meat, they talk to you, they have a chat with you, and it's more like a bar place to relax. And you see all the pictures on the wall is where couple kiss. When you come here and you kiss and you take a picture and you put it on their wall, they give you a discount. So this is the next day where we ate our last meal in Taipei. This is a fresh sashimi. The prawn I tried, it tastes not bad. And in Singapore, I've tasted the same freshness before. But in Taiwan, seems like the freshness and the price is a lot more affordable than the price you are going to pay in Singapore. So if you are coming to Taiwan, you can try all the places that I mentioned if you like to eat. Okay, we are going to Kaohsiung, and my GoPro, I didn't bring enough memory, so there was nothing much about Kaohsiung that I can do to show you. But stay tuned, I might try to find some footage for Kaohsiung for you guys. And thank you very much for watching. We have reached 500 view count. It's not 500 subscribers. I know there's nothing much, but I'm very happy that there's still people watching my videos. And thank you very much, everyone. Bye!